Phase 1. Disappear. Reduce external noise. You intentionally step back from constant stimulation, like notifications, background noise, and unnecessary information. When external input reduces, the brain exits survival mode and mental clarity slowly returns. Choose strategic silence. You stop explaining your choices and defending your decisions. Silence preserves mental energy and prevents emotional exhaustion caused by constant justification. Work in private. You build without announcing goals or progress. Psychology shows that private effort reduces performance pressure and improves long-term follow-through. Eliminate dopamine traps. You remove habits and content that create instant pleasure without growth. This helps reset motivation and restores the brain's ability to focus deeply. Practice intentional solitude. You spend time alone by choice, not isolation. Solitude strengthens self-reflection, emotional regulation, and independent thinking. Release external validation. You detach your self-worth from approval, likes, and attention. Over time, confidence becomes internally stable instead of externally dependent. Protect your energy. You set clear limits around your time and focus. Strong boundaries reduce stress signals in the brain and prevent burnout. Phase 2. Transform. Stabilize daily routine. You fix sleep, healthy food, and movement first. Stable routines regulate hormones that control mood, energy, and mental performance. Build real skills. You practice one skill consistently, instead of chasing appearance. Repetition strengthens neural pathways and creates real competence. Radical self-awareness. You observe strengths and weaknesses without judgment. Honest self-awareness activates growth-oriented areas of the brain. Daily consistent action. You repeat small actions daily, even when motivation is low. Consistency slowly reshapes identity through neuroplasticity. Strengthen mental resilience. You sit with discomfort instead of escaping it. The brain adapts to stress and becomes mentally stronger over time. Control mental inputs. You choose what you read, watch, and listen to. Repeated inputs quietly shape beliefs, behavior, and identity. Trust silent progress. You allow growth to happen without visible results at first. Internal change always happens before external success. Return transformed. Your behavior changes naturally before you explain anything. Results speak louder than announcements.